I bet you didn't know that hurricanes are like giant engines fueled by the ocean. Let's break it down. First off, hurricanes need warm ocean water. Think at least 80 degrees Fahrenheit. This warm water heats the air above it, causing it to rise. Now, rising warm air leaves behind low pressure at the surface, which pulls in cooler air from surrounding areas. As the warm, moist air rises, it cools and condenses, forming clouds and releasing heat. This heat makes the air rise even faster, creating a cycle. Add in the Earth's rotation, and this cycle starts to spin, forming a hurricane. And there you have it, the science behind tropical hurricanes. Next time you see one on the news, you'll know exactly what's going on up there. Stay curious, folks.